Vehicle-specific brake control wiring harness. For brake controls with wiring port built into back of unit. Plug the brake control end of wiring harness into back of brake control and vehicle end into vehicle's port. Brake controls with two-plug style of wiring harness are identified with plug and play logo. Top reviews from the United States. Fits new 2022 Nissan Frontier. Hard part was finding factory wired plug under dash. Mine was to the left of steering column behind diagnostic port. It was tightly cloth taped to other wires with approximately one lead sticking out. Fits perfect and worked perfectly when tested after install. Wish Nissan Tech Support would get their act together, as I called Nissan USA and got a duh. I am not sure we have one answer, especially when adapter with blank controller end is supposed to come with truck. Thank you all who reviewed, as it became the deciding factor, and as a mechanic I deduced wiring had not changed. Happy towing, happy trails, stay safe.